Hi everyone, welcome back to SQ World. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to enter a unique data in Behave using Python. This is useful when you want to avoid duplicate entries while testing like unique emails, username or ID. So your test run smoothly every time. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you do not miss any automation tutorials. So let's begin. Create a new feature file, click on features, new, and then click on file, enter file name. In this tutorial, I will explain how you can enter a unique username in this field. Suppose you want to perform the registration automation testing, so you need to enter a unique email each time. So to overcome this issue, we need to enter a unique username here. So first install a package, open terminal, like on terminal, and then enter command here pip install selenium faker. For generating a unique data, you need to install this package pip install selenium faker. This is the command for installing faker package. Now package is installing and package has been added. So first create a new file, right click on features, new file, and then enter file name register dot feature. This is feature file. First I'll show you how you can write here scenario feature. First enter here feature. Feature is enter unique username with fact. And this scenario is fill username field. Scenario fill username field. And the given is registration page. Given I open I open the registration page. First, I will open the registration page when I enter a unique username. Unique username. Now, we have successfully write here scenario. Feature is unique username with faker and scenario is fill username field because we need to enter a unique username. So here enter I open the registration page when I enter a unique username. Now open a step file. In previous tutorial, I have explained in a detail about page object model. You can watch this video. Now write the step here. First import when then and given from behave import given and then when then. Now next thing we need to do here import WebDriver. I will suggest you first watch my previous videos so you can better understanding about the writing feature file and writing the step file and how you can generate a report. So here first import WebDriver from Selenium import WebDriver and then import by locating element from selenium dot WebDriver dot common dot by and then import by from faker and import fake. As you can view here, this is the command for installing faker package, and here we successfully define from faker import faker and import time for adding delays in a script for better understanding, and declare variable here faker is equal to faker round bit. Now we can write here a step. First is given I open the registration page. First write the step for I open the registration page. Given I open the registration page. Step def step underscore open underscore page context. Before opening the registration page, we need to initialize WebDriver. So here initialize WebDriver context dot driver is equal to WebDriver dot Chrome. Click on Chrome. First initialize Chrome driver and then navigate to the URL. For navigating to the URL, you need to enter here context dot driver dot get and then enter the URL inside this round bracket. Enter URL here, copy this complete URL and enter with the port. This is the URL of the registration page, and then maximize the window. After opening this URL, we need to maximize window. As you can view here, we can minimize and maximize window. So we want to maximize window after opening this URL context dot driver dot maximize window. You can also minimize window here, option available minimize. So you can view here minimize and maximize. Click on maximize window and then edge wait here in second to time dot slip second. We have successfully write a step for I open the registration page. I open the registration page, and then when I enter a unique username, when I enter a unique username, enter here unique username and then step def step underscore enter underscore username context enter colon here. Now here enter context dot username is equal to faker dot user underscore name. Here we are getting error because we need to enter this variable name is faker. So same as well, we need to define here this variable name faker dot username. For enter here in username field, we need to locate this element. For locating element, right click, inspect, and here we can locate by ID as well name. So copy this name value context dot driver dot find underscore element by dot name. Here we are locating this element by name. So here customer dot username, and send keys is used for enter data in a field dot send keys context dot use. To enter this username, we need to add some delay for understanding context. Here we will enter time dot slip 2 seconds. Now we can run the test. For running test, you need to type command behave and then enter your folder name, which is features slash, and then enter feature file name, which is register dot feature. If you want to run a specific feature, so you need to first enter folder name, which is features, and then enter file name, which is register dot feature. Now only this scenario will be executed. You can write multiple scenario in this feature file. Click on enter. Test is running. First it will open Chrome browser, maximize window, will maximize window, and then enter a unique username. As you can view here, enter unique username. Let's again run the test and see what happened. Now it should be generate a unique data, because each scenario we need to enter a unique username for a registration. You can view here username enter different. So that's how you can easily enter unique data in Behave Python. It helps make your automation more reliable and prevents conflicts in your test. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ask your world for more automation tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.